Hey friends, this is a 10-minute morning yoga flow for stiff hips and lower back. Please grab any blocks or props that you might need to support your practice and we'll get started. So standing with your feet hip width apart, we're going to just make a light fist with your fingers tapping your palms, and then ease your hips from side to side, tapping your kidneys and bending your knees and your ankles, swaying. And you actually do want to tap your back. This would be the place of where your kidneys are, or wherever your hands can reach. And as you loosen up your hips, flowing from side to side, giving a little bit of energy to your lower back. This is a great way to start your day, easing into movement for your body after laying down all night. And we'll take a few more sways here, tapping. And then just ease your arms and feel the air as your arms flow. Your hips are going from side to side, your knees are bending, your ankles are relaxing. And just slowly come back to center. Check in. You might feel a little more energized in your hips and lower back. And what we're going to do next is called the breath of joy. Great way to wake up. You're going to synchronize 3 sips of breath through your nose. And then a big exhale. So we're going to do that as we do this movement with our arms, which is up, out, up, and then a forward bend all the way down. And then we'll come and do that again. So we'll synchronize our breath with the movement now. So it's 2 more times. Last time. Stay in your forward bend for a couple of breaths. Your knees can be bent, just warming up our hips. And then bring your hands to your thighs and lift all the way up to standing. Excellent. And then let's lift your arms up, interlace your fingers, palms up, ease over to the right, lengthening the left side of your torso from your hips to your shoulders, and then coming all the way over to the left, feeling that beautiful length from your right hip to your right shoulder. And then coming all the way up, pressing your palms up and then lifting your heels up off the floor, energizing your entire body from your toes to your fingertips. Take 2 more breaths here. And then lowering all the way down. Excellent. So from here, coming to the top of your mat, we'll swing our arms up, press down into your heels as you lift your chest up, coming into a tiny back bend to open up the front of your chest, easing your way forward. Inhale, flat back, and then exhale, bringing your right foot back and bringing your left hand to the inside of your left foot. And bring your left hand onto your left shoulder, and if you're able to, lift your left arm up. Opening up, releasing forward. Opening up, releasing forward. One more time, lifting open and releasing. Step back. Knees down, toes tucked under, And then from here, shift your weight forward so you're in one straight line. Press your heels back and lower very slowly down toward the floor. Excellent. Tops of your feet come onto the floor, press into them, roll your shoulders back as you open up your chest and softly release. 2 more times. Feet press down, shoulders roll back, lifting up, softening down. 1 more time. Lifting up, softening down. Keeping your chin at your chest, bend your knees, and draw your feet from side to side, loosening up your hips and your lower back. Bringing your feet back down, press up into table, and then back into downward dog. Bring your right foot hand closer to your left. Step your right foot forward, and then we'll do the other side. Coming into a twist, opening up, releasing your hand down. Opening your right arm up, releasing. One last time, all the way open. And bringing your right hand down, fingertips on the floor, bend your left knee, step forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, sweep your arms all the way up. Come into a little back bend and return to standing. From here, we'll come to sitting. Excellent. So you can stay at the front of your mat. I'll just turn around for you. And here we are. We'll just allow ourselves to open our hips. And if you wish, you can support your thighs with props and then round forward as you relax your head and neck. Take a few breaths here, softening your jaw, relaxing your shoulders. And round all the way up, releasing your props. Bringing your legs together. And from here, we'll just energize our lower back and our core by coming into a modified boat pose. So shoulders wide, chest lifted. Your toes can be pointed or flexed, whatever is easier for you. Your feet can be apart from one another. Take 2 more breaths here. And at the end of your second breath, release down, and we'll come into a twist here, bringing your right foot back. Your left hand wraps around your right knee, and you look over your right shoulder, bringing your right hip further behind your left. We'll take 3 breaths here. Soften into the length of your spine. And release. We'll switch sides here. Bringing your left foot back, left hip back, and taking 3 long, deep breaths here. And at the end of your third breath, back to center. And from here, we'll just allow ourselves to take Shavasana if that's what you have the time for, and rest deeply. Or you can always finish your practice in a seated meditation now that you've warmed up your entire body. Your choice, whatever you wish to do. And I hope that you've enjoyed this practice. You feel energized, warmed up, and ready to enjoy your day. If you enjoyed this practice and you want to keep the momentum going, there's another morning practice for you. Check it out right here. And for those of you new to Yoga Sanctuary community, we have a free guide that you can sign up for. It's in the pinned comments below. Namaste. Have a great day.